This is the mouse repellent system. When it detects motion, the light will come on. These are the PIR sensors, as you can see. Place it by a stairwell, any angle you want. This is the URO2S Indoor Rodent Repellent System. It has an instruction guide. It is a 5 volt, 2 amp, 300 milliwatt of power. You get a USB-C, A cable, a brick to plug into 110, and the rodent. Check online for further details about the makes and models the company has to offer. On the top you have 3 different color modes, red, blue, and green. You have PIR sensors, 3 of them, all around, and ultrasonic speakers, 3 of them all around, and 1 in the front. You have LED lights in the top over here, and a sensor. What we're going to do is plug in the brick to the power. Take the USB-A cable to the brick, and take the USB-C cable to underneath the unit and plug it into the center firmly. Listen for the snap. We have an LED light on and off, and the on and off mode change. You have plastic rubber feet and a notch area for the cable to sit through. In order to turn the unit on, we have an on and off button and the mode change button and the LED button. It's a short press of 1 second. The unit comes on. We have here is the LED on and off. It is on mode number 1 in blue. It is on in mode number 1 for daytime use in blue. The blue indicator lights up, activating 3 variable frequencies through the speakers and 1 fixed through the front speaker. To change to green for nighttime, press the mode button once. It goes to a green, solid. It activates 3 variable frequency ultrasonics, not the fixed speaker. To change over to red, hit the mode button again. It has a red and it flashes. This is the auto sensor mode. It triggers by the PIR sensors all around. Upon detecting a mouse, the device will be triggered and all 3 variable frequencies, plus the fixed speaker. The LED light can be triggered by a sensor, nighttime. The mouse deterrent can be put anywhere indoors in a house, a barn, a shed, a warehouse, in a closet, in a basement, in an attic, living room, dining room, kitchen, and more. We're going to demonstrate and show you where to put it. The mouse deterrent can be portable with a power bank. Simply plug in and turn on. Place it in the kitchen where you don't have power. Place it in the garage as well. Place it by a stairwell, any angle you want. This is the mouse repellent system. When it detects motion, the light will come on. These are the PIR sensors, as you can see. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for in a household need. Thank you for viewing.